Alright, let's bust some myths. I know you've heard these before, but it's time to set the record straight on 5 car myths that just won't die. Myth number 1. Premium gas is better for your car no matter what. Nope. Unless your car specifically requires premium, you're just burning extra cash. Most engines are designed to run perfectly fine on regular. Save your money for snacks instead. Number 2. You need to warm up your car for a long time before driving, especially in winter. That's old school thinking. Modern engines are good to go after about 30 seconds. Letting it idle longer just wastes fuel and time. Myth 3. Bigger cars are always safer. I get it. Big SUV, big safety, right? Not always. Safety depends on a ton of factors, like crash ratings and tech features. Don't assume size is everything. 4th myth. You should change your oil every 3,000 miles. That used to be true. But today's engines and oils last way longer. Check your manual. Chances are, you're good for at least 5,000 or even 10,000 miles. And finally, number 5. Red cars get pulled over more. Sorry, but color isn't what cops look for. It's more about how you drive, not what you drive. So that red hatchback isn't a speeding ticket magnet after all. There you have it. 5 car myths busted. If you learned something new, hit that like button and share with a friend who still believes the old tales. Drive smart and stay curious.